Number 1, ito yung pinaka-basic na Chinese soup. So, yung pinaka-ingredients niya is carrot, red dates, dried scallop, yam, the white yam. Sa pangalawa naman, number 2, meron tayong purple yam, cabbage, tomato, onion, and garlic. Yan lang, simple lang. Sa pangatlo naman, green radish with dates, dried scallop, dried oyster. Sa pang-apat, meron tayong winter melon. Ito yung tinatawag na winter melon soup. Winter melon, dates, goji berry, dried squid. Tapos meron tayo dito sa pang-lima. Ito masarap to, favorite ko to. Itong pearl, barley, tsaka fox nuts. Kailangan nyo munang ibabad sa tubig para lumambot. Tapos meron tayong lotus seed, soy sauce, and salt and pepper. Yan lang ang kanyang basic seasoning. Okay? So, pang-anim, meron tayong red dates, peanut, kailangan nyo ibabad yung peanut. Tapos, pork bone, syempre, dried squid, lotus root, light soya, and salt. Sa pang-walo, meron tayong goji berry, corn, pork, and purple yam. Pang-siyam, diba? Carrot, red dates, dried mushroom, and pork. So, basic lang. More than 10 pala to. Pork soup, carrot, potato, red onion. And then, meron tayo dito kung tinatawag nilang papaya soup. Yan lang. Papaya at red date, tsaka pork. Pork bone yun. 11 soup na pala yung ano ko. Okay.